Best email marketing software. Tony Corrier. Selecting the right email marketing platform is crucial for businesses aiming to maximize their outreach efforts. Among the top contenders in the field are Aweber, GetResponse, and Constant Contact. Each platform offers unique features and capabilities tailored to different business needs. In this comprehensive comparison, we'll explore the key differences between these three industry-leading platforms to help you make an informed decision. 1. User interface and ease of use. Aweber boasts an intuitive interface with a straightforward design, making it easy for users to navigate and create email campaigns. Its drag-and-drop email editor simplifies the process of designing professional-looking emails without any coding knowledge. Email marketing solutions and more. Aweber. Powerfully simple email marketing. Build your email lists, send beautiful emails, and connect with your audience faster. www.aweber.com. GetResponse. GetResponse offers a sleek and modern interface, providing users with a user-friendly experience. The platform's intuitive tools, including a drag-and-drop builder and automation workflows, cater to both beginners and experienced marketers. GetResponse. Professional email marketing for everyone. No matter your level of expertise, we have a solution for you. At GetResponse, it's email marketing done right. Start. www.getresponse.com. Constant Contact. Constant Contact features a user-friendly interface with a focus on simplicity and ease of use. Its customizable templates and drag-and-drop editor allow users to create visually appealing emails quickly and efficiently. Go to Constant Contact left finger. 2. Features and functionality. Aweber offers essential email marketing features such as automation, segmentation, and analytics. While it may not have as many advanced features as GetResponse, it provides reliable tools for creating effective email campaigns. Outgoing mail. Go to Aweber left finger. GetResponse. GetResponse stands out for its extensive feature set, including advanced automation workflows, landing page builder, webinar hosting, and e-commerce tools. It offers a comprehensive marketing solution for businesses looking to expand their digital presence. Email. Go to GetResponse left finger. Constant Contact. Constant Contact provides a range of features, including customizable templates, automation, and list segmentation. Its focus on simplicity and user-friendly tools makes it suitable for small businesses and beginners. Love letter. Go to Constant Contact left finger. 3. Pricing. Aweber. Starting at $12.50 per month. Aweber's pricing plans are based on the number of subscribers, with a free plan available for up to 500 subscribers. Paid plans offer additional features and scalability, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes. GetResponse. At $15.60 per monthly. GetResponse offers tiered pricing plans based on the number of subscribers, with options for basic, plus, and professional plans. Each plan includes access to a different set of features, catering to various business needs and budgets. Constant Contact. From $12 per month. Constant Contact's pricing plans are also based on the number of subscribers, with options for email, Email Plus, and e-commerce plans. While it may be slightly more expensive than Aweber and GetResponse, Constant Contact provides a robust set of features and dedicated support. 4. Customer support. Aweber offers responsive customer support via email and phone, along with a comprehensive knowledge base and video tutorials. Users appreciate Aweber's dedication to providing personalized assistance and guidance. GetResponse. GetResponse provides excellent customer support through various channels, including live chat, email support, and extensive online resources such as tutorials and webinars. Users praise the responsiveness and helpfulness of GetResponse's support team. Constant Contact. Constant Contact offers dedicated support through phone, chat, and email, along with a library of resources, including guides, tutorials, and webinars. Users commend Constant Contact's helpful and knowledgeable support staff. Conclusion. In conclusion, Aweber, GetResponse, and Constant Contact are all reputable email marketing platforms with their own strengths and capabilities. 1. Choose Aweber if you prioritize simplicity, reliability, and essential email marketing features. 2. Opt for GetResponse if you require advanced automation, landing pages, webinar hosting, and e-commerce tools. 3. Select Constant Contact if you value user-friendly tools, customizable templates, and dedicated customer support. Ultimately, the choice between these platforms depends on your specific business needs, budget, and preferences. Consider exploring free trials or demos to determine which platform best aligns with your objectives and goals.